Welcome back to the channel, NM Auto Family. Now, imagine this for a second. You're cruising along a quiet coastal highway. The sun is setting in front of you, painting the horizon with golden colors. Behind you, instead of a cramped back seat or hotel reservation, you carry your entire luxury suite, a moving 5-star resort on wheels. This isn't just a road trip. It's freedom, comfort, and elegance, all wrapped into one. And today, we're diving deep into one of the most impressive luxury motorhomes ever built, the 2018 Newmar Mountain Aire, a true masterpiece that blends high-end design with the spirit of adventure. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the world without giving up your lifestyle of luxury, this motorhome is designed just for you. At first glance, the Mountain Aire doesn't just roll past you, it commands attention. Its body is crafted with precision, standing tall with a road presence that feels more like a luxury yacht gliding across asphalt. The full body paint finish, available in rich, deep tones, gives it a timeless elegance that doesn't fade with age. Massive chrome accents highlight the grille and mirrors, while LED headlights and taillights not only brighten the road but add a modern touch that feels futuristic even today. With its long, sleek profile and aerodynamic edges, this motorhome isn't just built to look good, it's built to conquer highways with stability and grace. And when you park at a campsite, extending the slide-outs instantly transforms the exterior profile into something even more dramatic, almost doubling the interior living space. Just standing beside it, you already sense that this is far beyond a typical RV. This is a luxury mansion on wheels. Step inside, and this is where the Newmar Mountain Aire completely takes your breath away. From the very first moment, you're greeted by handcrafted wood cabinetry, soft ambient lighting, and plush furniture that wouldn't feel out of place in a high-end penthouse. The living area is designed with comfort in mind. Large leather sofas invite you to sink in and relax after a long drive. The tile flooring under your feet is heated, making chilly mornings cozy and warm. And then there are the panoramic windows, enormous glass panels that frame the outside world like moving postcards. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the mountains roll by. It's pure magic. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Stainless steel appliances, solid surface counter, an induction cooktop, convection microwave, and a full residential refrigerator mean you can cook gourmet meals while being miles away from the nearest city. This isn't camping, this is fine dining on the road. Moving into the bedroom, the Mountain Aire pampers you with a king-size bed, luxurious bedding, and plenty of storage space. And here's the detail that really sets it apart. The motorhome is designed with whisper-quiet climate control, ensuring your nights are peaceful and uninterrupted, no matter the weather outside. Of course, the bathroom feels more like a spa retreat. Full glass shower, porcelain toilet, dual sinks, and elegant tile work. It's like walking into a boutique hotel. The Mountain Aire isn't just about living, it's also about driving. Sitting in the captain's chair, you immediately notice the luxury continues up front. Leather captain's seats with heating and cooling functions keep you comfortable on long journeys. The dash is equipped with a fully digital display, navigation, cameras, and all the controls within easy reach, giving you confidence and control. Underneath, the Mountain Aire is powered by a Cummins diesel engine that delivers both strength and smoothness. Paired with an Allison transmission, this motorhome glides effortlessly, even while pulling heavy loads. Advanced suspension ensures a stable ride, while safety features like collision, mitigation, and lane assist remind you that this isn't just a home. It's also one of the safest vehicles you could travel in. Now, you may wonder, what makes the Mountain Aire stand out among other luxury motorhomes? It's the attention to detail. While many motorhomes aim for luxury, the Mountain Aire actually delivers a true home-like experience, blending residential comfort with road trip freedom. Compared to other models of its era, the Mountain Aire offered unmatched customization. Owners could choose different wood finishes, seating layouts, and interior color palettes. It wasn't just buying a motorhome, it was building your dream home, personalized to your taste. And let's not forget, Newmar is renowned for their Comfort Drive steering system, a technology that reduces driver fatigue by automatically adjusting steering effort based on road conditions. That means long hours behind the wheel feel lighter and smoother compared to other RVs. The 2018 Newmar Mountain Aire isn't just another RV. It's proof that travel can be just as luxurious as staying in a 5-star resort. It gives you the freedom of the open road while wrapping you in elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. For those who dream big, this motorhome is not just transportation, it's transformation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Mountain Aire, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to NM Auto for more inspiring journeys and luxury vehicle showcases. Because here, it's not just about vehicles, it's about the lifestyle they unlock.